It is my pleasure to welcome everyone to the Erasmus Medical Center, the largest transplant center of the Netherlands. Here we work in a multidisciplinary team on various aspects of clinical heart, liver, lung and kidney transplantation. Our projects cover the wide range from basic, fundamental research to clinical science and patient care. Also, my colleagues here at the Erasmus Medical Center work on innovative donation programs, treatments and surgical procedures, all aiming to improve organ transplant quality with good quality of life and self-management.
We integrate basic science with medical research into a truly translational project to get the best of our patients for the transplantation. And by collaborating like this in the Transplantation Institute, we managed to win the StrongerTogether award for ESOT twice.
Winning the StrongerTogether award at the ESOT 2017 in Barcelona and at the ESOT 2019 in Copenhagen has made the Rotterdam Transplant Group and its research more visible to a wider public. It has also allowed us to tighten up the ties and set up new projects, not only within our own Transplant Institute, but also with other ESOT members. The StrongerTogether award has helped us to further our innovative research with the goal to improve solid organ transplant outcome and patient health and well-being.
Because together we are strong, powerful, but also colorful.
Interplay, connect, interface are the words to remember when you submit your work to ESOT 21. This meeting will for you be the opportunity to present, to discuss your work and to connect with colleagues from all over the world. See you in Milan.